Hello, my quilting friends. This is Rosie the Quilter, and I am doing a follow-up on my earlier video on quilting with scraps and leftovers. So as you can see, I've taken one of my leftovers from a panel that I used, and I've bordered it with black Kona uh, fabric. And I'm just going to use uh, a simple quilting stitch to, to quilt that border. I'm using my HQ Sweet 16 at 45% speed and just using manual control. I don't like to use the uh, calculated stitching. So here we go. I'm going to get started. Sink this and bring up my bobbin. Hold your bobbin threads while you lock in the stitches. And here we go. I'm going to use a modified cursive S. And that's what I like to do sometimes, to fill in a little space at the end. Just do a little curlicue. And now rotating to go around to the next. By the way, this line of stitches that you see here are not going to be visible. They're going to be covered up by the binding. So that's why I'm not worried about that, because it kind of looks a little unkempt, but that's because I know it will be covered up, and I don't want to have to break thread. Also, whenever you feel that you need to stop to rearrange your hands, it's absolutely okay to do that. In fact, you should do that, so you make sure that you are able to maintain control and make sure that your stitching will be even. I'm going to do a little less talking and focus on my stitches. And you see, when you do that, you have a much better outcome. My stitches on this side were more similar in size, and that's because I was able to maintain a smooth and steady speed. at the end here. So I'm going to cut my opening stitches here and end that one. And that's it. Thank you.